Holy cow. Look at the line. Hold on, I've got to go ask the lady how much time is left. How much time we'll be waiting. You guys stay here. Hi there, excuse me, how much time would you know is left for the wait? Huh? What are you talking about? How much time is left for the wait? How many planes are loaded? And how many planes are left? You've got to tell me now. We could be killed. There's a hurricane coming. What? There's a hurricane? Security! Security! No, wait. You have to tell me. Oh, the approximate time will be 6 hours, 28 minutes, and 39 seconds. The hurricane's coming in 24 hours. I've got to warn them. Guys! Let's get a move on. It's time to bud these people. We need to get through. There's only one plane left, or else we'll have to wait 6 hours, 28 minutes. Guys, hurry, come on! Wait up! Mommy! Come on, chérie. Alright, we're going to need a plan to get through this. Everybody stick together. We're going to have to make a plan. We could start with a cheating plan. It could help us along the way. We could start by trolling them and pretending that we have VIP or something. We've got to do something. We've got to do something to distract them. Or something smart. Anybody have ideas? We could trap them. Or maybe we could, I don't know, bullet everybody. Good idea. But Shaggy, we need somebody to help us. How are we going to get through this line? It's going to take forever. I'm going to faint. Oh. I'm worried. It's gonna be okay. We need to make a plan. We need to get through this line. Now! Let's go! Everybody go! Spill it, Keith. We've got to get on that plane approximately right now. Got it? Security! Security!
What's going on, ladies? Do not disrespect our staff like that. I don't care what you do in this world. You do not disrespect our staff. You do not. Understand, ladies? Do I make myself clear? I said, do I make myself clear?
There's a hurricane coming our way. We need help.
What? There's a hurricane? Everybody, get up! There's only one staff member helping. There's no way you guys will make it. There's no way. Guys, we need to start loading. Loading up the plane. Right. All I need is your passports. Just pass them. Hand them over.
Here's mine. Here's mine. Mine.
Jasper Wilderson. Okay, go. Go with your daughter, now. Do you have a daughter with you?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, she's over here.
Okay, go, now. Jasmine, set the alarm off. Alright, now that we're all in the airport location, I need everybody to stay calm. Does anybody here have a criminal record? Anybody? Okay, good. Now, we're gonna stay calm. Luckily, there wasn't such a long line. I'm taking this seriously, and I'm letting you load up on the nearest plane. Let's go. Everybody out. Get on this. We have a plane coming in 1 hour and 20 minutes, which will arrive in Canada in 21 hours, which means you will not make it. We can head to Mexico, which will be 2 hours and 25 minutes from here, which means we'll not get the hurricane. We'll be safe in Mexico. Anybody who wants to come with me now. Guys, this should be a great idea. Everybody with us, who's with us, come to the Mexico plane. We can make it.
But we can't. We can't make it. The hurricane will hit in 5 hours later. I don't want to die. We won't have a choice after that. We won't have a choice. And we won't know what to do. Oh, I'm so scared. There's no way I'm going on the Mexico plane. Ugh. Alright guys, we've got to wait until a better option comes. Hey guys, OP's Cosmo here, and I'm just letting you guys know that I'm going to be changing my channel name soon, which I'm really excited about, but also nervous. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, because I am Juliet series, I am Juliet. My new series is coming May 7th, and I'm really excited about it. I've been scripting and working on that series for a while now, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm really excited for it, by the way. I cannot wait. I'm super excited, so yeah. But here's a little reminder, guys. Make sure you check in the descriptions always if you guys want to know when the I Am Juliet series is coming out. It's coming out anytime between May 7th and May 26th. So yeah. Also, I have a little thing where I might do a giveaway when I hit 35 subscribers. So yeah, if you guys want the giveaway, make sure to subscribe, press that like button, ding, and turn on your post notification, because I've been uploading a lot. If you guys like my channel, then you would know. So yeah, bye everyone. Oh shoot, where's my pizza slice?